Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs, as well as engineering jobs. So today I am going to discuss about job notification from JP Morgan Freshers Recruitment. They are hiring software engineer position and the qualification required for this post is BE, BTech, ME or MTech. So those candidates who are freshers and they can eligible, and those who are from BE BTech background or ME MTech background, they can apply for this job. So the position name is known as FWC Software Engineer Java Associate, and company name is JP Morgan. So I think you have heard this name of this company. It is a big company, and company location they are hiring for is Bangalore. So what will be your job description? You need to manage some collateral within discrete functions. It's supported by their own technology architecture. Firm-wide collateral management program has been structured around stitching all these functions. You need to real-time financial asset position view across functions. You need to take care of this holistic repo of all collateral eligibility rules, intraday monitoring of country party exposure across the margin life cycle. So these things you need to look over, and you need to do some optimization in code and analytics like what if scenario assessment. This type of thing you need to do. So you must have React, Java, Cassandra, AMPS, Gaia, AAS, RabbitMQ, S3, this type of technology skills, and you need to have strong understanding in Java, OOPS, design patterns, independent and self-motivated team player you need to be, and good aptitude, quick learner and strong analytical skills, T-shaped resource with open mind and learning attitude. So you can see the apply link here. If you think it is right for you, then apply for this job. So I will give the link of application in my description box of this video. You will find it from there, and after click here, you will be redirected to the career page of JP Morgan. So from there you need to apply for this job. So you can see there the software engineer Java associate, this position they are hiring for. The location is Bangalore, and you need to apply before 30th September. Okay, so the last date is 30th September, and job shift is day, and the location, the exact location is given here, Bangalore office location. So you can go through once again the notification from there. After clicking on apply now from it here, you will be redirected to one page where you need to give your email address, and then you need to agree with the terms and condition. So I have already given my email address here. So after the next part is given to you, I am showing this thing. After giving the email address, you will be redirected to this page, so where you need to fill in your details. Okay, you can see this is the application form. So at first you need to give your title, okay, then your first name, middle name, last name, then your email address, and re-enter your email address, then your phone number, and the country, it must be India. The preferred location you are asking for, you need to give it here because it will be Bangalore, so you need to choose it from this thing. So then you need to click on next, and after clicking on next, you need to give this answer that are you at least 18 years of old or anything. So this type of few employability related questions you need to go through these ones, and you need to select the applicable thing for you from the options. Then you need to click on next. You need to add your education here. If you have some experience, then you need to add experience here. Then after clicking on next, you need to submit your resume there or upload your resume there. So then you need to give your ethnicity. That means you are under Indian country, so you need to give your ethnicity as Asian. So your gender, then I agree to receiving marketing communication, then your e-signature in the sense your full name. Okay, then you need to apply. Click on submit from here. So this is the job notification for today. So if you think it is right for you, then apply for this job on or before 30th September. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and please press the bell icon so that you will receive all the latest notification. Thank you. We will meet in next video. Goodbye. Take care.